So welcome to the installation of officers for the Biennium 2020 to 2022. So I hope as we accept our responsibilities to our posts in this organization, may it stimulate our hunger and love for serving our community and its women, especially since we are called to serve at an even more trying time of a pandemic. May we be compassionate and impassioned stewards of service to our fellow women even more, starting today.
Members of the Soroptimist International of SI Silangan are honored that you have accepted our invitation to join us in Soroptimist service. It is my privilege to welcome you to a worldwide organization of women who are committed to improving the lives of women and girls in local communities and throughout the world, through programs leading to social and economic empowerment. Membership in Soroptimist celebrates the unique power of women. It is a gift that we give to ourselves, the opportunity to work with women of different ages and professions in an atmosphere of friendship, fun, and mutual support so that all women can lead full and productive lives. By lighting your candles, each of you pledges to abide by the ideals and purposes of the Soroptimist International of the Philippines region, our federation, the Soroptimist International of the Americas, and the Soroptimist International. Upon you, the club officers, rest real and challenging responsibilities. Your club looks up to you for the successful execution of the purposes of Soroptimist, namely leadership, service, achievement, friendship, integrity, and sincerity.
Fellow Soroptimists, a pleasant day. Today, we celebrate another milestone, the installation of your club officers for Biennium 2020 to 2022. To immediate past presidents Purificacion Echeverry, thank you for your dedication and accomplishments for Biennium 2018 to 2020. You have demonstrated a strong and unifying leadership. Congratulations. To Presidents Erica Margot Echeverry Rojas of SI Silangan, I truly believe we have something in common. We are all destined to lead in this uncertain time of the pandemic. We are the luckiest. Why? Because we are given the opportunity to lead through the toughest time in the organization's history. I believe we did not land these positions by chance. We were destined because all of you are made of the right stuff. Sincere, strong-willed, 100% committed, equipped, capable, and most importantly, bullish to find the silver lining in these darkest moments. You have me here in the region to fully support your clubs, and I have you to lead your clubs to greatness. How? Through innovative strategies in implementing programs, projects, and activities aligned and focused on the vision and mission of Soroptimist. Target-specific, quantifiable results with high positive impact on the lives of our women and girl beneficiaries.
What does it mean to be Soroptimist? It is like saying, what is the purpose of my existence? The purpose of the life of every human being should be to make a positive contribution to the continuance and well-being of humanity. COVID-19 pandemic took us by surprise and changed our lives differently. It made this biennium more challenging. However, this pandemic shouldn't stop us from living and helping others. As Art Williams said, I'm not telling you it's going to be easy, but I'm telling you it's going to be worth it. Together, we can do our mission and vision using social media and other ways of communication. As early as now, I would like to thank you all for your patience, cooperation, support, and friendship